Hey everybody, just wanted to give you a quick update related to COVID um, and just touch on a couple quick points for the weekend. Uh, Again, another mixed bag. We lost four members of the community over the last 24 hours. A male, 74 and 73-year-old, female, 91 and 63. I'm very sorry to the families and to all of the families that have lost loved ones in December, January, and our first wave of this. Certainly, our thoughts and prayers are with you, and we'll remember everybody at the appropriate time as a community as well when we can be together again. Looking at new cases, again this week we're seeing a significant drop compared to last week. Last week we had 471 cases. Today, I believe, today we have 377. So another 20 to 25% drop. 7,500 tests. So our daily rate was actually 5%, one of the better rates we've had. 7-day average is down to 5.5%. So we're moving in the right direction, and people should be proud that we're responding now, and we're really getting through the holiday seasons, and we continue to go in the right direction. So everybody, reminder, usually your Thursday, Friday, and even Saturdays are more of the labs start to report all of the tests in during that period of time. So we usually see high test days, and when you have high test days, you're going to have higher case days. Positive news is we will have a significantly lower number of cases this week than last week. So progress. Related to hospitalizations, again, making tremendous progress. We're down to 197 in the hospital now. We haven't been under 200 in quite a while. We were, I believe, in the 330s not too long ago, I think 2 weeks ago. So certainly want to thank our hospitals, our hospital workers for all their good work, and certainly our COVID transitional unit with Loretto. That's helped get people who have recovered out of the hospital as they await a negative test. We have 43 of our neighbors in the ICU, so please keep them in your thoughts and prayers over the weekend. And we have 10 residents, 10 individuals who lived in a senior facility that are waiting transfer to our COVID transitional facility at Loretto, and that will create additional capacity as well. So overall, our hospital numbers are going in the right direction. Caseloads continue to improve over last week. So those are two positive things. Related to vaccine, again, just everybody, for everybody to understand, there's various points of distribution. The fairgrounds is a state-run clinic. We at the county help staff that clinic. They put out appointments for a period of time and stop taking appointments. That doesn't mean that when more vaccine comes in, they won't open up appointments during those same weeks and months. As we get more vaccine in, you bring in more people to administer the vaccine, and therefore you open up more appointments. Just right now, in the next week, certainly it doesn't look like the numbers of the supply is going to get better next week, but maybe in following weeks it will. Same with Kinney Drugs. Again, they're going to get an allotment from the state to fill in the appointments they probably scheduled. Now, our pod is a little different. So as we get vaccine, whether it's redirected to us or we get our weekly allotment, we then open up appointments. So our Wednesday through Friday appointments have been all scheduled. We right now are not operating on weekends just because we don't have enough vaccine. It doesn't make sense to. So Monday, right now, whether or not we have a small clinic is still up in the air. We most likely will have a clinic on Tuesday. We will let everybody know when those appointments will open up. It probably won't be this evening. It will probably be more over the weekend. But on Tuesday, there will be new vaccine available. We will have a clinic. And then on Tuesday evening is when we get our weekly allotment from the state. Assuming we receive what we received last week, we will then operate Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and put up the link again. So there will be new vaccine in the community for new appointments and next week. And we'll continue to get through this. This is going to be difficult. The demand is there. People want to get the vaccine. I understand this is an emotional process. Many of us have been scared throughout this process at times, and now this is our way to punch back, and we're going to get there. Again, a reminder for our seniors, every time we open up spots for registration online, we give spots to 211 as well. 211 you can call, and they will help you register online. Those are just for our seniors, so 65 and up. So again, our tech savvy seniors, you go online. Those who are not as tech savvy, you call 211 and someone will help you get registered. Each day we have new slots available. 211 gets reserved slots that day for our seniors who are not tech savvy. So overall, caseload's going in the right direction. The hospital's going in the right direction. Positive rate's doing better. It's up to us to keep this progress and this momentum. Just because we're making progress doesn't mean we can't quickly go backwards. There's just so much unknown. Remember, COVID viruses or any viruses do better these times of years in the Northeast because we're indoors and it's easier to spread. And part of why our flu numbers are down is because we're all washing our hands and we're wearing masks. We're avoiding gatherings. We're avoiding large areas with density. So we're not getting sick with other things like we normally would have either. So I just urge caution, especially now. Give us more time to vaccinate. The more time we get to vaccinate with these numbers going down, the better we'll build up the immunity in the community to get our lives back. So please avoid the gatherings. Saturday is a big sports day. It's a great day. I hopefully will be on my couch all day, but doubtful. But you have Syracuse, you got 2 NFL playoff games. That's a trap. That's a trap to have friends over and to have families over. We know that that's how the Thanksgiving surge started and how the Halloween surge started. So let's not fall into that trap. Let's enjoy the Saturday, all of us sports fans, but let's do it within our pods. Certainly, we now got restaurants open. Restaurants are regulated the way that they operate, and these business owners are going to do the right thing, make sure that all the rules are being followed. So overall, let's just not go backwards with this weekend coming up. So saying that, unless something happens, I won't do one of these on Saturday or Sunday. I'll put out data over social media and give any interviews to the media. But we've had a good week overall. Let's keep going in the right direction, and let's be safe and smart this weekend. Thank you.